Hey guys. Oh, my voice is echoing. Let me know if y'all can hear the music, because I'm playing some synthwave right now and it's kind of fire. I want you guys to be able to hear it. Today I'm going to be continuing work on the CLI. You can see I've created a new branch here, and things have gotten a little unorganized, to be honest, but as long as I'm working on it, I can figure stuff out. So where we left off last stream is, I think we left off at error handling. So, this is gonna be difficult because I don't have a test. Do I have test? Oh, okay, yeah, I do. Oof, but I don't think I should use these videos. But where we left off was that we couldn't, let me increase the music a little bit. Can y'all hear me still? Or no? Yo, what's up, Kieran? Kieran, let me know if the music is too loud or not, or if you can't hear it. Okay, so where do we leave off? Last stream, we looked into, like, FFmpeg error handling, and I originally was like, I just want FFmpeg to handle the errors, with the video chopper. But we kind of realized that that wasn't the greatest idea, since apparently you can't pipe, or it's really hard to pipe the error and make it, like, colorful and stuff. So I just manually, like, did some things with it to make it more colorful. Thanks for stopping by, Kieran. You should go study for finals, though. Oh shoot, I forgot to do the follower goal thing. Goddamn! Alright, there we go. We got the follower goal up. But yeah, I think for this stream, what I'm starting to do is, yes, we have a working, like, base command. Oh, sorry. It looks pretty ugly. I really should just, like, put what the command looks like now here somewhere. I'm pretty sure it's like vchop dash yeah, these are the arguments dash input. Oops. Dash input is, you know, like s slash what did I call it? Code review reflection. Oh. Dot MOV. silence.mp4. Why does that like not have a preview? I'm pretty sure that's just like a dead. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just a dead thing. We'll just call this output. And then you have to set the noise equal to like... I'm wondering if that'll like pick up as a flag. I don't want it to pick up as a flag. I want it to be a negative sign. And then the duration as well. The duration would be like a float. So that's how often you want to, or I guess the length that counts as a silence. If you're new to the stream, you're probably very confused with what I'm doing, but basically I'm creating a video chopper CLI tool that essentially will, you give it a video and it's able to detect and remove all the silences from it. And you're able to configure like certain parameters like what noise constitutes silence. This would equate to like -30 decibels. And also the duration of silence that you want to, you know, count as silence. So, Video Choppa, what's up? First time chatter, Fartbag XP, let's go. But yeah, I like just saying Video Choppa, it's really cool. But yeah, the duration is not like how much silence you want to cut out. It's used in like the silence detection to figure out, oh, okay, this silence lasted greater than 0.5 seconds. Okay, we can count it as silence then. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm using FFmpeg mostly. That FFmpeg is doing like most of the hard work, but you know, you can't really manually type in this command because FFmpeg only has a way to. So have you ran it on a movie and then watched the movie? No, I typically don't download movies, and damn, I wonder what would happen if you just like ripped the silence from a movie. Like, would it still be good? I don't know, it depends on the movie. But yeah, essentially you can't really do this manually because FFmpeg does have a silence remove filter, but it's only for audio. And it's like, why would they do that? Why wouldn't they just make it for video as well? So what you have to do is first detect like the time intervals of the audio and then somehow like compile that into a command that looks something like this with all of the certain timestamps of the silence. And that way you get the whole video with the silences removed. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing with this script. I have the main functionality done. I just need to kind of look at the error handling. Here's some of the outlined. We really only have a few parameters here. For this, I want to create like, let's see if I can, let me pull up a new window. Yeah, it was called Bubble Tea. Basically, this lets you, you know, create nice looking Go terminal applications. So we're gonna use this to, you know, beautify the CLI tool and make it so it doesn't look just like a normal command that you have to copy and paste, but it's actually intuitive. So yeah, let's get to it. What I'm pretty sure I was working on was just getting this thing to work. Right now I'm a bit lost because I was like trying to, oops. I was trying to do some stuff. P, new program, initial model. Where is this coming from? Here. I think we should just return after this so none of this gets run, because we just want to test that our text input is working. Go build. How do I include the text input? Because this is a package, but like, why does it not? I think I have to import it in here. By the way, I'm new to Go, so bear with me. Where is this initial model coming from? Oh, that's coming from Wizard. Yeah. I think we need to delete this file, or like just pretend it doesn't exist. Initial model, and then we want to import that from here. Are you able to... How do I get... I haven't written Go in years. Yeah. I'm still very, very much learning. I'm kind of struggling right now with like the package, how packages work. Maybe we just call it that. And then dot. How do we get the initial model? Sound design is very... Sorry, I'm reading YouTube chat. Sorry if I did not see this. Sound design is very important. No, yes. Sound design is very important. That is why I'm working on like the error handling and stuff, as well as by sound design I'm hoping you mean like good code design. I'm just gonna assume that's what you mean. But yes, I'm trying to make this good design, but I'm not the best at Go, so bear with me. Text input dot new. The thing is, maybe. Where did that go? Oh, here. Text input dot new. Type. Oh. Wait. I heard you talking about silencing a whole movie. Would it still be good? Oh. Sorry. Yeah, that was someone in Twitch chat saying, to use it on a movie, but I don't think you would use it on a movie. The tool doesn't like silence things, it actually removes the silence. So it's good for like low profile YouTube videos. So if I accidentally like forget what I'm gonna say, I don't have to like open Premiere Pro and edit the video and edit my silences out. I can just like run this CLI tool and it'll be nice. Okay, I need to go to the... Where did my Opera window go? Oh my gosh. I have way too many, like, Opera windows open. So I was following this text input example, which was here. There we go. I swear you talked about this somewhere. Yes, I did. I made a short about it a while ago, and I'm still working on this project because I got the main functionality, but it needs some work. Initial model. The thing is, how do I do that, right? Okay, I don't need this anymore. Put this away. Wizard, go away. I have the text input from Bubbles. I do this. I do that. This is literally just a Go issue. Like, this is me not knowing Go issue. How do I get this guy in here? I grab him like that. That sounded really weird. But thanks for the follow, not real. That's the name of the I don't know. With the capital letter. Wait, why does it say import? The heck? Oh wait, yeah, that's what it's supposed to be, my bad. Okay. Text input dot, but why is it not like auto-completing for me? Oh, is it something like that? It's something like that. Oh my god. I remember that from the Go documentation. Apparently, like, private functions are lowercase, but then public ones are not. So you can only use it. Why don't we copy their code and see if it works? Yeah, I mean, this is their code copied. The thing is, they're just running it in like one script, and I'm running it in 2 scripts. That's a really weird thing about Go. I mean, it's not that weird, but it's a little annoying. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, that should do it. Let's build this. Go build main.go text input text. I think that's how you have to do it. Name files must all be in one directory and have a dot and text input. don't get it. I don't get it. Do I have to build them separately? They want me to do this. Supposedly. Excuse me. Oh shoot. I gotta delete that. Does this contain any, like, important stuff? No, I don't think so. Okay. Oh, it works. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no, I lost focus. Does it not let me delete anything? Does it not let me backspace? It won't let you backspace, and then you can't enter you can't enter a queue because queue is quit. Bro, what is this example? What are they like? Case, key enter, key escape. Do they not? Can you not, like, put valid control keys in there? That's wild. Yeah, you can't delete anything. I'm so confused. Oh shoot. That actually makes no sense. Like, why would they have an example like that? Is this even running the correct code? Because I don't see anywhere where we check Q. Like, what? And also, it's supposed to be Pikachu. It's supposed to be Pikachu. Wait. Wait. Is this the wrong binary? What happened to my Go build? What did I build? What did I build? I don't... I'm so confused. I'm gonna try this again. Did this change? Like, how do I execute this stuff? Like, no. I'm pretty confused. The Go command will fetch new modules, add new requirements, apply version ... will match all packages. When was VChop last modified? December 13th? It is not December 13th. Oh, why do I have a DS store? Get away, get away. Oh, good. Oh, I forgot this was not NeoVim. Go build dot. Maybe I try this, but with main or something? Missing... How do I install this? Bro, I literally just installed it. Ah! Okay, to be fair, the person I saw doing this was using Cobra. Do I need to use Cobra? Bruh, automatic flag recognition? Literally Go already has this, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if this will solve my problems. TBH. Split the packages, okay. Build writes the resulting executable to an applet file named after the first source file. Go build writes ed when compiling multiple packages or a single non-main package. Build compiles the packages but discards the resulting object, serving only as check that the packages can be built. Whoa. What is tree? I tried running tree and nothing happened. Like, does ZSH not have tree? Okay, but didn't I low-key do this? I put them in their own place. Did I not? Okay, this blog is- I think this blog is gonna be useful. brew install tree. Please don't be a virus. Last time I used Homebrew to install something, it took like ages. Granted, it was FFmpeg, so I assume that's like a big ass download. But yeah. Virus, here we go. Installing virus. Wow! Wow! That's pretty beautiful. I'm gonna say that was worth it. Thank you so much, Fartbag XP. Why is it so difficult? I'm used to JavaScript, so I'm used to just being able to like import shit wherever I want. But it seems like they got some rules here in GOLANG. Probably for good reason. Last time you ever listened to the internet. Oh god, did you actually do something to me? I mean, like, it's got 14K downloads. I don't know, man. command/cookie/ main.go. Let's modify import the top level package. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so they import it, yeah. Okay, what was the conclusion? I gotta structure it like this, and then if I do go install, the thing is I want to compile. I want one executable. Maybe need to read this first. Try to learn Go, and if you're building a simple project for yourself, this project layout is an overkill. Ah! Main applications for this project. Command. The directory name for each application should match the name of the executable you want to have. Okay. My question is, why did they prefix it with command? Like, is this specifically a Go, like, also virus link? Lol. Is this also... Is this just a Go thing, or is this, like, if you're doing commands and shit? I assume if you go work for Google, then you go ask those engineers. Yeah, I think I just have to do this. Wow. So I gotta change this whole layout? Oh no, don't do that. Okay, so we have command. And then vchop. Google engineers will tell you that's the way to go, yo. Okay, spit bars. And then this goes in here. Right. And I assume the main goes in vchop? Oh shoot, but what happens to these guys? Oh no. You shouldn't have a source folder. That is like the most controversial thing. You really don't want your Go code or Go projects to look like Java. Honestly, like, JavaScript has source folders, at least, like, backend stuff. So, okay, low-key, this is what that guy was saying. Let's see what his structure looks like. His tree. Is this the correct tree? Now, do I delete these, like, things? Is my question. Or do I simply move them somewhere? Okay, that maybe worked. Oh. And then they both have a main.go? I don't think that's necessary though. I think you just do it like that. Okay. What folder do I need to be in? Bro, what? Why did I try to organize my code? Why did I do it? Who told me to do this? Who told me? The way this doesn't exist. At this point, I'm like, woo, let's build stuff. At this point, I'm like, why am I using packages? This is like actually hell. A vendor folder? What? There's no way. What is a vendor folder? Bruh, 404 is crazy. Creating a new module. Package. Hello. Create a new empty folder somewhere outside. Then create a new source file. Let's write a test2 in hellotest.go. Okay. At this point, the directory contains a package but not a module because there's no go.mod file. If we were working in ran test now, we see go test, pass, okay. The last line summarizes the overall package test because we are working outside and also outside any module. Then go command knows no import path for the current directory, makes up a fake one based on the directory name. Go mod init, then try to test again. Packages and subdirectories have import paths consisting of the module path plus the path to the subdirectory. For example, if we created a subdirectory world, we would not need nor want to run go mod init there. The package would automatically be recognized as part of the example.com/hello module with path. Okay. Adding a dependency. The primary motivation for Go modules was to improve the experience of using, that is, adding a dependency on, code written by other developers. Let's update our hello. The thing is, so it seems like this is not an organization tactic. It seems this is... You liking this experience yet? You know, it's a good learning experience. Just learning how new languages work. But what I was saying is, this doesn't seem like an organization thing. This seems like a only do it if it's like a dependency thing. At least that's what I am seeing. This is a terrific experience, is it not? What's up, wow, Connor? Wow. Yo, what's going on? Are we learning a new language? Yeah, so I'm learning GOLANG, and we are building a CLI tool called Video Choppa. But basically, it's a CLI tool that uses FFmpeg to detect and remove silence from videos. The motivation behind it is... Ooh, just ripped wires out of my computer. But the motivation behind it is I don't want to open Premiere Pro to edit some silence out of a video, so I just want a command to like automate it for me. So that's what we're learning now, and we're struggling to figure out how the heck you're supposed to use Go modules. Like, literally Go yells at me if I create a folder. It's like, it's not that deep. Package hello, blah blah blah. Go test. The Go command resolves imports by using the specific dependency module. Blah blah blah. Maybe I don't make a new module, but it seems like you're allowed to have multiple scripts in like this package main. So I could have a script called text input that's package main, and then just like use it within here, I'm pretty sure. And I think Go will invoke the main function, probably. If not, how do we make a video as choppy as possible? Yeah. Okay. The thing is, this is not meant to replace, like, video editing, obviously. Because it's not smart in any way. Like, it's not some AI detecting when the best silence is. It literally just looks at the settings you put in and finds those things and removes it. It's more for, like, you know, low effort, like, low effort. Well, I'm a college student, so a lot of times I have to record presentations for like normal homework assignments, so it's kind of like I feel like I can just automate that and it doesn't have to be necessarily perfect editing. But for YouTube, yeah, I would never use this for YouTube videos. By the way, I do post on YouTube new videos coming out tomorrow if you're interested. I'm pretty sure my channel name is like Robotic Nation, and I'm pretty sure it's somewhere on my Twitch profile. Oh, that's fun. I have no clue how to program in Go. I won't be any help. Lol. That's so true. But thanks for the follow. Wow, Connor, wow. To be honest, I'm no help to myself either, so don't get bummed out. Building a single package like Go build or Go test can easily tell when something is missing and needs to be added. Okay, let's maybe fix what I did here. Okay, this is getting removed. This is getting cut and put into VChop. No. Yes. These are also getting cut and put into VChop. Boom. This is also getting cut and put into VChop. And then all of these guys are getting deleted. Here we go. So this should work. What is it yelling at me for? So we no longer need that. And I'm package main, found packages main, and text input.co. Package main? Oh, wait. Is it yelling at me? It's not yelling at me. That's crazy. And then, will this work is the question. Does it automatically know to import that? I know a library in Rust that removes silence from videos. The motivation was for removing silence in lecture videos. Yeah, I mean, that's basically my motivation right now. What is it called? Yeah, I definitely know this stuff already exists, but I thought it'd be a cool way to get into Go. Okay, let's try and compile this thing. Not a FBI honeypot. Let's go! I'm reading YouTube chat, by the way, guys. Bruh, not an FBI honeypot is the best. This person literally is my #1 supporter, commenting on all my YouTube shorts. Love that, love the support. But yeah, let's go. Go build main.go go build. Oh, I'm not, that directory don't even exist anymore. Oh god, I'm in the trash, I'm in the trash. I'm in the Apple trash can. No. How did I get to this dark place? Don't worry. Why is that kind of cool though? What's in the trash? Lots of terrible things. Okay, let's get out of the trash. What is it called? VChop? Oh, build main and text input. Now let's see if that thing got. Why does it still say? Oh, it compiled me? How did it come? It speeds up the video depending on if the video is silent. Oh. Close to the same thing though. Let's see this Rust example. Are you a Rust developer? Did you rewrite it in Rust? I love how all of these just like use FFmpeg. FFmpeg is just the backbone of the video and audio industry. This is cool. This is cool. So this is actually intelligent. Mine. Okay, the intelligence part is being done by FFmpeg. Me personally, I'm just combining all of their stuff to make it do what I want. So very little intelligence on my part. This is probably intelligent. Yeah, FFmpeg is used in a lot of software. I wonder if like Adobe uses it. Like, who doesn't use it is my question. Like, what is the alternative? Oh, I can do dash out. This is giving C flashbacks. And then let's remove main. Okay, so that got updated. Nice. Oh, yes, it works. It works. Wait, it scrolls like that? That's kind of sick, that's kind of sick. What is your favorite Pokemon, chat? I can't be sure, but I imagine that Adobe might not use FFmpeg. There might be some hesitancy on the licensing and patents around the algorithms FFmpeg uses. There's licensing on algorithms? I've never heard of that. I feel like this may be a naive thing to think, but I feel like most algorithms in computer science are like open source. And like, oh, maybe like there are specific like compression algorithms, I don't know. But that's pretty cool. Sadly, no. Sadly, no. Damn. I wonder. It seems like a lot of things are open source, but then if you look behind, if you knew what was behind the wall, you would be shocked. That's the vibe I'm getting. The thing is, open source tends to be better anyway. Like, wasn't there a thing where... Okay, I know Twitter did this, but they open sourced their code. Or X. X open sourced their algorithm or something. Yes, I heard that if you look... I heard that if you look for a patent on an algorithm and you find it, then you can get in trouble. Instead of, like, just saying you didn't know. That's crazy to me. Alright, now we have a text input. Let's make it actually say something useful. Is there a way to modularize this? Because I do have a few text inputs. This one, I don't necessarily want, oh, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all slightly different because they have different error handling cases, but I might be able to just like pass that in as a function. Open sourcing is an easy way to get free labor for your other closed source project that makes you money. Yeah, that's real. I mean, that's why Linux is so good and performant, because it's open source. But I mean, people still buy Macs. And I'm sure Apple is very much based off that open source. Yeah, so I'm wondering if there is a way to make like a schema. I also am curious to see if I lowercase this, will I be able to use it if it is in the same package? Oh, so it seems like I am in fact able to use it still. Yeah. Tab doesn't work. Just checking if all the escape sequences work. I guess the thing with keeping it all in one package or module, I guess that module is the proper name because it's got the Go mod, is that these functions like have to be named properly. I'm gonna create a like schemas.go file with a bunch of constants, I believe. Would they be constants? Command schema.go. The best way to do this is probably JSON, but not completely sure. So what do we need in these text inputs? The models have a placeholder I literally always forget. Type input text model. They have a placeholder string char limit. Do we need a no? We don't need a char limit. Width, we don't need a width, I don't think. So how would this work? You would go from you have a type error and then we have a type model. The type model seems seems like it's pretty arbitrary, like, but I would want to keep this because so this returns a model. But is a model part of the library or is it just, can I name this like whatever I want? The thing is, it accepts a text input, which is the text input model. And then this initial model, so what I would want to do is loop through my schemas and create new there's different ones? Oh, did not mean to do that. Dot paste, dot blink, dot... Is there like a file one? No. Return model, text input error. I think this schema would what I would want this to be. Let me just make sure this isn't like specific to whatever we're doing here. No, don't select that. Why is it getting mad at me? It doesn't, oh. So it is specific because it doesn't, oh, no, it's not specific, okay. So let's just put this in here. If I added like placeholder to this string, would that mess something up? It doesn't seem like it would. That's good. But maybe I'm kind of tripping here between the model itself and then the command schemas, which is basically just like this right here. And I'm going to take time to figure this out because I really want to make sure I architect this nicely, or at least give it a good shot. Where does text input come from? Okay, that's from the thing. So whatever this is gets passed into this model. Terrible at naming things. You'd want, like, maybe like header, string, but I think there's like a specific thing for this. Bubbles. Tutorial. Blah, 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 blah. This is the application state. So for the state, we only need to know these things. This is not related to, so I think I do need like this separate thing. And then initialization. We'll define our application's initial state. In this case, we're defining a function to return our initial model, where we could just as easily define the initial model as a variable elsewhere too. Okay. So I think this is going to be used in both not the model, but the initial model and the update method, possibly if we include like error handling functions. I have to see if that's possible though. And then the view. So let's do that instead. Text input schema. We want a header, we want a placeholder. We want a footer. And then can you store GOLANG function in struct? We're getting object oriented here, guys. POV, we're getting object oriented. A structure or struct in GOLANG is a user-defined type. blah 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 blah. Type function, name function. Oh. So what if we created like a error type error displayer? Let's just call it a validator. A validator takes in is a function that takes in a string, right? It's always going to take in a string and returns a should it just return like a boolean if it passes? Bool. And then a message, which is just going to be a string. Do we not have booleans in Go? Can you not have multiple return types? What? Last time I checked, you could have multiple return types. Haters. I swear you could do this. Oh. Bro, I thought those were... I thought that meant... Oh. Never mind. Never mind. I'm just a little silly. You need parentheses. Oops. Validators. Who needs validators? It either runs or not. Maybe you can return them as a tuple? Does Go have tuples? Oh, do you just mean like the parentheses? I'm gonna assume that's what you mean. Validators. Who needs validators? Either runs or not. Yeah. I'm trying to make it so it's hard to encrypt, or no, not encrypt. It's hard to accidentally try to just like accidentally try to remove silence from a random file on your computer. Just genuinely. It's gonna be very, very basic error handling, like Make sure they entered an integer. Make sure they entered a positive integer. Very basic stuff. So it shouldn't be too bad. I'm actually not going to, like, do crazy error. Like, I'm not going to check if the file they're trying to manipulate is a file of video type. Oh, so we're learning how to write viruses now? Not quite yet, but almost there. So here we want an array of validators.
You're right down there?
Sorry I died. Isn't it so sad that Go doesn't let you do pointer arithmetic? Right now, I really would like a pointer in my life. Wow! Could that work? Could it work? I think it should work because the validators will be known at compile time. This is simply a schema. Probably not. No faith. Why do you have no faith? You don't have faith in the Stack Overflow? Wait, is make? Does Go make, like, allocate things? Is that like an... No, it's all AI generated now, and the answer came from 2013. Isn't that, like... Wouldn't that show some merit? Because it's so old? Where they did not have ChatGPT? Sorry, I'm going on a side quest right now. I'm curious if this, like, it allocates memory on the heap. Crazy. Crazy, I knew it. I knew it. That's, like, ancient, and Google engineers would have changed the API by now. Okay, they would change a fundamental... This is pretty fundamental. This is like your malloc. It's pretty fundamental. I don't know if they would change that. Honestly, who knows? Google engineers be wilded. Allocates memory on the heap and initializes with 0. Unlike new, make returns the same type as its argument. Damn. Okay. Is this just a pointer? Let me try to... Bro, how do you make a struct? I literally forget. Why can't- oh. Okay, I'm actually pretty silly for that. That's like 10 years ago, which is 30 generations of Google engineers ago. That's like saying they're going to... That's just like, that's like saying they're... Like any Stack Overflow post about system.out.println is outdated because it's 10 years old or something. Oh. Oh, it should be capitalized. Text. Schema. Header. Can I just like initialize? And then you have to make it return pointers, don't you? Don't you? Why is it yelling at me? Oh, that's not how you do things. You just simply do that. Yeah, you just simply do. My bad, yo. My bad for overthinking. Why does this look like C? What's up, John? It looks like C because I'm used to writing C, and I'm writing C by accident, but it's actually GOLANG. But GOLANG is... It's a low-level, high-level language, you know? It tries to do the best of both worlds. How do I instantiate? Wait. Oh, I just do that? Okay. No worries, guys. I know what I'm doing, maybe. Jellyfish tastes weird. What's up? I'm going to pretend to not know who you are. What is this taken? Oh. What? A string. It has to take in the input. Okay. Input. String. Bool. String. And then the func. So this validator... Why is it yelling at me? Stop it. No. Stop yelling at me for having a trailing comma. That is such an overreaction. So basically, return if num... Oh wait, we gotta do the string conv dot a toy input. If the string a toy input is, what is this return again? I don't remember this shit. Int error. Check the error if error not equal nil, return false. Why, like, this might actually work, guys. True fact. Otherwise, return true. Slay. Why is he yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? A toy? Missing comma before new line in composite literal. What? What? Excuse me, you just yelled at me for using a comma. You yelled at me for having a trailing comma. Exactly. Fight me. Missing... What is a composite literal? What? Oh. Bro, they have it? Why can't I have it? Oh. It's yelling at me because it's not used. Gosh darn it. I do need to return the struct, don't I? Is this gonna cause problems? Does GOLANG do the weird thing where you need to deep copy? Or does GOLANG just automatically deep copy you? Why are you yelling at me? Oh. So this needs to be an array? Is that what you're saying? What if we take you out, have a validators slice let's just make it an array. Do I need to include the size? Oh no, 1. Am I allowed to do that? Maybe. Maybe not. Who even knows? Who even cares? The compiler will care, by the way. And then put validators here. Are you happy? Yes, it's happy. Oh no. Oh shoot. The problem I'm facing here is JK, I'm not facing problems. Me facing problems? Never. Never, ever, ever. So, if we take this and initialize let's just call it data, because why not? Placeholder equals data dot placeholder. Whatever. Let's see if this does the thing. We're not checking any validation yet, but who even cares? We're just seeing if our schema can possibly work. Okay, why does this synthwave go so hard? Do any of you listen to synthwave? Because I kind of just got onto this stuff. And I've been living my main character life. Do I have to compile all these now? Together, probably. Do I just like go build and then what? Should I call it vchop? Haha! Okay, it works, guys. This is sick. Now, I want to replace this header with what my header should be. Which should be somewhere in the update? Or the view. This should be... The thing is, how do we get access to that? Like, in the global scope? Oh, init. Oh, this gets the input model. Do we also want to just... header? No. If we put like a header here. How did they get it to line up? Hey, what's up? On link 2? What am I building? Never heard of that Pokemon, blah blah blah. To answer your question, I am building a CLI tool called VChop. Essentially, what it is supposed to do is, remove long pauses in videos. So I'm using GOLANG and FFmpeg. FFmpeg's gonna find silence in videos. And then I'm going to write this Go script to, you know, make FFmpeg prettier, because FFmpeg is like a wormhole with all the options it has, and it's not really accessible to beginners. And also, FFmpeg doesn't let you remove silence. Like, they don't have a command to automatically remove silence from videos. It's only for audio. So I have to run basically 2 FFmpeg commands, but this Go script's doing all that, and I'm also using like bubble tea to thanks for the follow, by the way. I'm using bubble tea to make the interface prettier, and that is what I'm up to right now. I'm very much a beginner with GOLANG, so I'm kind of just figuring out how to organize this project. Yeah, early in the stream I was going through like module hell. I think I misunderstood the purpose of Go modules and was creating modules for like everything to organize my code, but it's actually, I don't think it's for that purpose. So yeah, it's been a lot. Have any of you guys started Advent of Code? I know I streamed that last year, but I have not got around to it because I've had finals, which were crazy. But I do want to go back over it over the summer. I think it'd be cool. Okay, initialize, blah blah blah. We were looking at adding a header here, and then doing a header is data.header. And then here we will get that. I don't like this formatting. Wait, I'm confused. Wait, what? Does that just mean formats according to a format specifier and returns the resulting string? Format string. Oh. Oh, okay, I get it, I get it. What's up, Bester GG? Thanks for the follow. We're doing some GOLANG CLI development. So let's just make this a string, and then we will have to put m.header. Yeah. Oh, and we also want the footer here. Now the issue I'm running into is I'm kind of replicating this schema. So I'm wondering if I simply put all this into this model and then call the initialization function like in here. I think that's what I might have to do. m.footer and then footer. Let's build this. Let's go! Okay, so everything looks good in regards to the schema and stuff. I do want to experiment with like the character limit and such. Character limit 156. I swear I went over that. Width. What if I remove the width? What happens? F in the chat for the width. It simply goes away. Yeah, I think the width is definitely needed. Now let's make this actually valid information. Header. Enter a input file path. Placeholder /video.mp4. Footer. Wait, what? Oh, I was not looking at YouTube chat. Hello, Jose. Hi, face blue smiling. Lol. What's up? Why did it go all the way back in time to this? iTerm moment. I spelled it wrong. Oh no. Okay, that's kind of sick. part of me wants to use their fancy, what is it called? Thanks for the follow, Diego. Part of me wants to use their fancy looking, where is it? It's a file picker. Wait, why is there no readme for this? I mean, yeah, why is there no readme? How dare you? How could you do this to me? Ah. I want an image of what it looks like. Do I have to go to the Bubbles website? I won't do it. Bubbles. Bubbles. Yay! File picker. No! Okay, before I forget, low-key might want to commit this stuff. Yeah, it could be nice to have completions in here. Yeah, it really would be nice to have completions in here. It's almost a necessity. Press escape to quit. Slay. Shoot, we're almost at our follower goal. Let's go. Path to 100 be like... Oh, what was I doing? Get status. This is on a completely new branch. So that was a fun adventure. That I'm thankful that I did do this on a new branch because... Like, goddamn, I would have really messed up the main branch. Is that a good commit message? Who knows? Oh my god, I just got so scared for a second because I thought that... Wait, shoot. Wait, is my YouTube stream, like, broken? Oh no. I got so scared because I thought that... okay, yeah, it's not broken, I don't think. Oh shoot. Stop it. I don't want sound from you, stop. Yeah, I thought it was broken because I thought it was still showing the starting stream soon button. I mean, display. That would have been actually awful. Oh, I got a ping in my own server, like my personal one, that my stream started. Because I configured like some if then that bot to do it, and then I forgot to put it in my actual Discord server, and then was like, low-key, it's not that difficult to just like add at YouTube and Twitch notifications for this stuff. Okay, I pushed that, which is good. Now what? Why is this so complex? I need to know what the convention is. Convention for GOLANG capital letter variables plus methods? Mixed caps or mixed caps, simply camel case rather than underscores. Okay. I was never gonna use underscores. If an identifier needs to be visible outside the package, its first character should be uppercase. If you don't have the intention to use it in another package, you can safely stick mixed caps. Great. So since all of my code I've decided is in one package, it should be lowercase, which I believe it is. Theirs is uppercase because they're an external thing. They're an external guy. Should I be... The question is, how do I make this reusable? Or do I simply just make different ones? The thing is, this is the base for any input. Any text input, at least. Which is what, like, all of my things are. Text inputs, text input. This is gonna get weird. Progress bar is gonna be a little weird. Do I want it to... Do I want to separate it as JSON? So when is the point where we stop extracting? Hold on. There's this guy. He's also a YouTuber. By the way, I'm a YouTuber making videos. Follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyway. I should really star this guy's repository. Okay, wait. What is his name? Spelled it wrong. This guy, Melky. Go Blueprint. I'm gonna star this because I like to look at the structure of this. What's up, VMA? VMA Daloso? I just assume the people who know my name come from YouTube. Cause or Discord, honestly. But yeah, if you're in the Discord, you come from YouTube. Oh, thanks for the follow. It's Victor. Sorry, that's just my username. Yes, came from YouTube/Instagram. Sick. Glad you made it to Twitch. But yeah, I'm gonna try to stream more. I like to look at this repository structure and see how I can, you know, implement that myself. Template. Oh, that's just like steps. This is what intrigued me, because this is just like JSON. Step schema, step name, options, headers, field. What is a field, though? Oops. And I'm trying to watch more coding stuff here on Twitch. Haha, thanks for streaming. No problem. I'm trying to code more, so that is why. One of the reasons why. So the slice of each option for a given step, and the title displayed at the top of a given step. The thing is all of his are actually options. Mine are like, some are options, some are text input. Actually, none are options. One is just progress bar. So steps is a map type item, title, description, and it steps initialize and returns the steps to be used in the CLI program. Framework. Okay, it's a map with a string and a step schema. This could be it. I think I might copy this. Low-key. Low-key, I think I might copy this. At least I'm gonna call it take inspiration. Because no, it won't directly integrate with my code, but I'm gonna change it up. Step schema. Instead of that, I'm just gonna do text input schema. What's up, Seljukt? Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. But what is my VS Code theme? I'm pretty sure this is just like Material UI. I actually don't know. How do I check? Yeah, I think it's just Material. And then I do have like Material icons or something. Why does it show you all of, I just want to see mine. How do I just see my extensions? Gosh. I can't deal with that right now. Delete. Oh, install it. I'm silly. Yeah, it's community material. Extension pack? No, that's something else. I have so much random stuff here. It's low-key worrying. Whenever oh, and I have material icon. Control-Shift-P type theme. Maybe it looks like that one though. Thanks. No problem. Shoot, why do I have so... Why do I have duplicates? Material icon theme, and then material theme icons. Bro, we just switched the two words around. That's crazy. Sometimes I question VS Code. Sometimes I'm like, when they recommend the packages to install for a programming language, I'm so skeptical of that now, because like they install all of this like nasty stuff. I don't want doxygen document. Oh wait, actually I do want that. That's low-key useful. I don't want the C/C++ extension pack. Honestly, I deleted a lot of these. I hate those notifications too. Real. Okay, back to like copying this guy's code. Func initialize steps is going to return steps. What's the tool about? Okay, so I'm making a... Alright, 1 second. I'm making a GOLANG CLI tool, obviously. Title of the stream. Essentially the problem or the motivation behind this is I just want to be able to remove long pauses in videos that I record without having to actually open an editing software like Premiere Pro and go through it one by one and remove the silences. So it's not necessarily meant to replace a video editor. It's kind of more for a specific use case. The specific use case I was thinking of, or that I'm probably going to use it most for, is a lot of times for school I'm required to like submit video presentations for like random homework assignments. So I'm like, obviously I'm not a perfect speaker. I make mistakes when I speak, and also I forget what I'm gonna say. So I'm like, wow, this is really awkward, and I don't want to edit my video for like a silly homework assignment that's like 5 points. I just want to put it in a CLI tool, and I want FFmpeg to do it for me. But yeah, it's kind of for that circumstance where the quality doesn't really matter that much. It's just like a quick way to be like, nice, I removed all of my awkward silences. But also another reason is because I want to learn Go. Why is it screaming at me? It's because I don't have a string, don't I? Get back to that guy's example where we can actually see what's going on. Why does he have a string? I guess we'll just call this... Are there enums in Go? I think. Basically jump cuts. Is that like a tool or a word? Yeah. Wait. With a cut that makes the subject appear to jump instantly forward in time. I'm not a film person. I don't know what it's a term. Yeah. If a jump cut is just removing silence and like jamming it back together, yes, that is what we're doing. Can I do one better than this guy and make this an enum? For my massive ego. How to make enum in Go. Wait, I don't want to know. I want to figure this out. I know how to do this. I made this. Type enum. Is that a keyword? Maybe? Okay, I actually don't know how to do this. Why do I have to read a blog? Oh, I'll just make a const. Input. What is iota? Is that like the relative position? That's kind of cool. But I'm going to do this instead. But how do I make these const? How do I make this an enum? Oh. Oh wait, never mind. Type. What do we call this? Step. Or type. Flag? Oh, that's a reserved word. Field. Step. I'm terrible at naming things, goddammit. Why is this so convoluted? That is a terrible tutorial. This is all I wanted. Gosh. Input, output. Oh, bruh, you're actually supposed to do it this way. God damn it. For my case, I'm not doing that. Input, output. Oh, it would still be a string though. Is that good? Yeah, I think that's good. What are my other flags? I forget at this point. Input, duration, noise, output. They should probably be in that order. Input, output. What was it? Duration and noise. And now these will correlate to the flags. And that could potentially make things easier later on. Probably not though. I'm probably just creating a stupid abstraction that's going to back me up. I'm trying to architect this in a way that's good. Sorry, I sound really... I sound like an old computer science guy right now. An old computer science professor. But I do want to take the time with this, because TBH, this has no limit. Thank you for the follow, La Juan. Oh my goodness. We're almost at our follower goal? Question mark? What are we at? Oh, 97. That's crazy. Thank you guys so much. Sad truth, but I will actually have to end stream soon. Okay, I need to go back to this code, and inside of here, this should be a type of step. Step. We'll call this input. Why is it yelling at me? Because I didn't change this. Probably. Did I change it? Where do I need it? Oh. This is awesome! Okay. So we have the steps, the step, the const, the validators, and the text input schema. We might just change this to like step schema, to be honest. But we'll see about it, because right now we're only dealing with text, really. So now this is going to go bonkers. Steps. Now what we can do is loop through these steps. In here, possibly. How to run consecutive commands, though? Right. I definitely need to look into this more. But I believe we have a good starting point. Let me look at this guy's code again. How does he loop through these? And where does he call this? Command.create, okay. Create a Go project. Use create a Go blah blah blah. This is just Cobra syntax. Run. T program. Do I have that? Yeah. Options, project, steps, init steps. New program, initial text input model. What is the name of your project? Okay, what happens after that? If error... What is project? It basically waits until... Is this in a loop? I don't think this is in a loop though. It creates a new program for every input. Okay, I think I'm understanding how this works. Ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. I will save this for later, though. Okay, I didn't do anything on this to-do list, but that's because I took a little detour. There was a slight detour with the project. Why is it yelling at me? Data is now steps. Data dot steps dot input dot haha. Okay, that's pretty nice. And then, yeah, that should be good. Let's just see if this compiles, and then I'm gonna try to raid someone. 98 followers, let's go! We only need 2 more followers! If you're in chat and you're not following, what are you doing right now? We gotta hit the follower goal. Let's see if this okay, if this compiles, you have to follow. It's a rule. This better compile. This is literally so scary. Why is it mad at me though? Why is it? Oh, okay, it's been mad at me for a while. Chop. It compiled. You have to follow, guys. Okay, sick, it still works. Surprising but true. Alright. I've never actually raided someone. But I'm gonna raid someone. Who do you guys want to raid? Let me look for someone in like software game development. Is that what it's called? Why can I only look at people? This is terrible. Okay, well, the only channel that is streaming right now is Ferret Software that I follow. If you don't know what Ferret Software is, basically, if you've seen that guy Thor, if you've heard of Pirate Software, it's basically the ferret rescue of Pirate Software. So Pirate Software, this guy that just makes shorts and streams like literally all day, and everyone loves him. But yeah, he's kind of like rose in followers and stuff over the past like month. So why don't we raid some ferrets? Let's go. I've never actually done this before, but thank you guys for joining the stream. Totally appreciate you. And yeah, just thanks. I'll see you probably this week, next week, over the weekend. I'll be streaming this break. Did I successfully raid them? I'm so confused. Yeah, have a good night.